Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Benjamin and you are watching Sartorial Styles. In today's video I show you 5 ways to style a denim shirt. Let's go! Before we start putting some looks together, I want to show you the shirt I am styling today. It is a blue Oxford cloth button-down shirt made of 100% cotton in a poplin weave. It features a slim fit and white mother-of-pearl buttons. You can buy it yourself in the 4 Gentlemen online shop. I already made 2 videos about them. The links can be found in the video description and up there in the corner. Denim shirts are a more casual option, in particular when it's in OCBD like this one. I personally don't really love wearing neckties with button-down collars, but for this video I made an exception. If you plan to wear your denim shirt with ties frequently, I recommend going for a more formal collar design. But back to the outfit. I wear the shirt with a blue single-breasted suit I acquired from Suit Supply. I combine the simple look with a brown necktie incorporating orange and blue tones made by Oliver Wicks. I did not want to go with a very bold and contrasting color and pattern because it would clash with the monochromatic mixture of the shirt and the suit, both being blue. In the pocket I am wearing a white linen pocket square which I got from Poshetka. On my feet you can see my burgundy penny loafers by Dieter Kuckelkorn. Even though I don't like it too much, I stick with wearing a necktie for the second look. I put on my brown tweed suit made by Oliver Wicks of a Bottoli fabric. Tweed generally works very well with denim shirts because of the similar texture. To provide even more texture, I went for a grenadine silk tie by Poshetka. To round the look off, I put a brown and grey pocket square into my chest pocket and brown boots on my feet. Finally, I get rid of the tie because I am not wearing a suit anymore, but a combination with the brown suit jacket you have seen in the look before. I paired it with my light grey flannels from Suit Supply, one of the most worn items in my whole wardrobe. If you want to see 5 ways to style them, check the link up there in the corner. I went for a colorful pocket square and my boots once again. With this look, I would add my bracelet and probably even my brown fedora to compensate for the lack of the necktie and make the outfit more visually appealing. Corduroy is another fabric that leans more towards the casual side of the spectrum and therefore works very well with denim. These brownish and greenish corduroy trousers are also made by 4 Gentlemen and feature a medium rise, side adjusters and cuffs. These formal details allow me to wear them with an odd jacket. In this case I decided to go for a blue and brown plaid. The jacket is made by Spear & Mackay and you can find my unboxing up there in the corner. To break the mostly dark colors up a little bit, I went for a colorful pocket square and my blue fedora. Denim can absolutely be paired with denim, and here's how. I'm wearing my white selvage denim jeans by Suit Supply. 5 ways to wear them are linked up there in the corner. I also added a brown belt because it's one of the few I have. A more playful fabric belt would match the look better though. During summer I could wear a linen jacket like this one by Colaro and a pair of white sneakers or penny loafers. During winter I could wear a safari jacket like this one, made by Colaro as well, or even this corduroy piece by Poshetka. Instead of sneakers I would opt for a pair of boots in this case. And that's it! 5 ways to style a denim shirt. I hope you liked the looks I put together, and if you have more ideas, just let us know down in the comments. A link to buy the shirt is in the video description. I'm not paid to do this and I don't earn money when you buy the shirt yourself. I just think it's a very good shirt for a fair price. Up there you can watch 2 more videos about 4 gentlemen, and down there you can subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Have a nice time and see you next week.